this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create freeze frame effect in Premiere Pro. I'm going to drag the video onto my timeline. Now I'm going to play the video and pause it just where I want the freeze frame effect to start. So let's say here. Now I'm going to use the razor tool and cut my clip at the playhead. Now I'm going to open up enough space for the freeze effect by moving the clip on the right to the right. Now move the playhead to the left by 1 frame. Right click on the clip and select Add Frame Hold. Now drag the frame hold clip from the edge of your clip all the way to the right. Now play the video and you will see that the video will be paused during that frame. And that's pretty much how you add frame freeze effect to your video clips in Premiere Pro.